Hello students, this is Mr. Simons. Hey, we're going to go over how to use a Trello board. A Trello board is a project management tool used by tons and tons of companies out there for managing projects. Multimedia has projects. This is a great tool for us to use in Multimedia. So hey, let's get started by first signing in to Trello. Let's go to our Google Classroom and you'll see the Trello link, and there's a tutorial here from Trello. I'd like you to try that out. Let's go ahead and get into Trello and we'll sign up for Trello. We want to continue with Google. And I will sign in as Katniss Everdeen here and create a new account for Katniss. Takes just a sec. And boom, 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 she's ready to go. So let's go back to our Google Classroom, and we're actually going to open up a board and copy a template to our own Trello here. Okay, so open up this template here, and this is a template that I built for us. This is for the independent study kids, but your first timer Multimedia 1 template will look very, very similar to this. So create the board from the template, and let's title this with your first name. Okay. Let's title this with your first name and MMIS projects. Okay. So just put your first name at the front of the board so that we know that it's you. And if we do end up with two people with the same name, we'll use initials. It's okay. We're not very likely, but if we do, we'll figure that out. Okay. So go ahead and create the board now. Now we're creating a board. Now you own this board. This is yours to use. And first thing you want to do is invite me to be part of your team, but you got to create a team. And so let's the Katniss team, and we are for education. There's education here. And so create a team with just your first name, initial if we got multiple names. All right. And now we'll have a team, and in just a sec, there we go. Now you can invite me to be part of your team. And there I am. Okay, so make sure that you've invited me so that you can add me to your board. Okay, and you're just going to add me to the projects that you're actually working on. Okay, so it's unlikely we'll get to everything that's over here, but I want to show you how these work. Okay, there will be a template there for making your own projects, but you want to follow one of the projects here and see the documentary. Here, this is a link that'll take you to a tutorial that will allow you to download a bunch of footage and do the making of the Mandalorian documentary. And there's a checklist here to go through, and you see as you start to do the checklist, it tells you how far you are along the way. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah, and stuff. So, you want to join this project, okay, and add me as a member. Okay, so you join the project, add me as a member of the project. Okay, and then we move this into our to-do area. And you can pick a couple of things to put in your to-do area here. I think we'll do the chase scene as well. This one looks really fun, so we're going to join that and add me as a member here. And both of these are ones that you can download the footage for, okay? And so since we've got those are both in our to-do list now. And if you want to see what it looks like to do some of your own filming, open up, you'll notice that there's two checklists, a whole pre-production checklist for those that are going to be filming their own stuff. This is for the most advanced kids or just kids who are really ambitious about it, right? you join it and you add me to it. Okay. And then we move that to our to-do pile. So the three big projects here. Let's stick with 2 or 3 big projects to get started. So as you start to work on the one that you're doing, move it over to the doing area here. And if you've got a stuck point, go ahead and add a card for the stuck point. And stuck with footage in video. Okay, and you can add a card, and you can add some details to this card as much as you need to help me out. I want you to join this one, add me as a member, but if you do have a stuck point, make sure you get a hold of me on Remind or email. Okay, if you do have a stuck point, I may not see it right away, so I will want to get a message so that I can pop in here and help you with your stuck points. Now, when you finish a project, you've gone through all of the parts here, downloaded the footage, made a plan, edit the footage, add the credits, publish and turn in, right? All done. Okay, sweet. Now that one's done. 6 of 6 items are done, so you can move it to the done pile, and it celebrates you being all finished with that. If you get stuck with using Trello, please ask me for help. This is a professional level project management software that will just help us track what we're doing. It's got checklists for everything, but please, please, please ask for help if you need it. Thanks.